firearm collection, kind of. So, what's in here? DMP 8050D. There it is. No key. Good condition, actually. Let's see, 8050D. There we go. Yeah. Here's me pulling it. Here's it resetting. Oh. Yeah, it's supposed to be some cuts. Here's the boxes. Yeah, I have a knockoff pull station, but that's not going to be featured here today, for now. Next are what in this box? Which one? Kind of. We have a KAC manual call point. There we go. 9-volt battery in here for powering an alarm. Somewhere in here. We have a BG12. It's a real BG12. Don't damage any base, but it's a real BG12. Yeah, a little cut there. No mask on. BG12. 3-to-1 pull. Actually, we'll put back. There we go. 3-to-1 pull. Doesn't have the dual action thingy. But yep, BG12. No key. Did not bring the hex thing. Yeah, I did not get this new. No terminals. Screws. Cut again. I'll only feature activation devices for now, I guess, in this video. Here's my knockoff. It's been modified a bit. 3-to-1 pull. Yeah, don't ask why I didn't use this hand. I'm pulled. Only one key. Here it is. Comment down below. Subscribe or like. Get out. I'm kidding. You will see those alarms eventually. Just not in this video. Maybe I'll make the video at the same time. Okay. I don't know. Bye.